Manipur Home Guard Employees Welfare Association has issued an ultimatum to Manipur government to fulfill its long-pending demands by September 21st, while warning to launch several agitations including indefinite hunger strike from September 30th. The demands of Home Guard include finalization of seniority list of Home Guards to avoid stagnancy in promotion, to increase DA corresponding to minimum pay of a police constable, extension of benefit of ration money allowances, disbursal of monthly duty allowances with first week or 10th day of every month, to appoint separate and full-time Commandant General for Home Guards, enhancement of age of superannuation up to 62 or 65 years, filling up of vacancies of Home Guards, to increase authorized sanction strength of Home Guards to 3,394. While demanding the fulfillment of these demands by September 21st, Manipur Home Guard Welfare Association has warned to initiate agitations from September 30th onwards if government fail to address their demands.